Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at AppointBee. This is a brand new software. Essentially, this is a WordPress plugin. And what this can do, guys, is gonna help local businesses, especially service-based businesses, to get more leads and sales by doubling their bookings and appointments using this application or using this WordPress plugin. All right. And if you are local consultant, this can also help you guys out make more money by, offering or providing this kind of service to local businesses, and you can charge like one-time payment or a monthly payment for this application. And what's really cool about this application, guys, is that when you purchase this application, you're gonna only need to pay this for once, and you don't need to pay for a monthly payment for this, not unless you upgrade your account, right? But now there are other solutions out there like Appointly. This costs you like $79 per month. There's other like appointment system as well, where it's just simply book.me. This is like $59 per month. This one is Acuity scheduling. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but this one is $50 per month. 10 to 8 is $50 per month. Zoho is $720 per month, which is really expensive, solutions out there. But if you guys, purchase AppointBee, this is a one-time payment only, and uh, these are some of the features within this application: extensive appointment settings, duplicate booking checker, show working hours, accept payment upfront, right? There's also like a Google Calendar integration, automatic email and SMS reminders, back-end appointment calendar list, build your client's email list, and multiple users for each client. It's really cool as well. And then mobile optimized. This is mobile optimized, and simple sales reporting is included, and built-in blogging system is included as well. All right, just like I said, this is a WordPress plugin. All right. Now, before I'm going to show you guys the demo of this, how this works, how you can um, easily create and install appointment booking system to any kind of website, or to your client's website, or to your own website, or to your own businesses, right? Let me show you first my bonuses. That way, when you guys pick this up through my link down in the description of this video, you get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys out, right? Alright guys, so bonus number one, guys, I'm gonna give you access to my 1000 plus Adventist buyers email list. Alright, just like I said, guys, this kind of software or application is really useful, guys, to service-based businesses. That is why I'm providing you this done for you buyers list, hungry, dentist hungry buyers email list. And this right here, guys, is the email subscribers right here. Now, I'm gonna providing you this emails or this done for you leads, hungry buyers list. All you have to do, guys, is reach out to these businesses out there and offer different kind of services. Now, you're not limited to, AppointBee. You can offer different kind of services, guys. It can be web design, it can be video creation services. It doesn't really matter. You can offer this kind of, and these are high targeted, hungry buyers than this list, right? You can use this list and provide your services, right? So that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I get high paying clients using Facebook. Now, if you don't know, guys, aside from affiliate marketing, I also provided like website creation services, and this right here is the exact method that I use to get high paying clients. Now, if you don't believe me, this is the current website that I'm currently working right now. This is a babe shop, website, and this is the exact method, guys, that I use to get this high paying clients on complete autopilot using Facebook. And as you can see, guys, I'm able to edit this website because I am the one who in charge to edit this website. So that means, guys, I can show you this method on how I get this high paying clients using only Facebook. And this is the exact method that I use to get high paying clients on complete autopilot. All right, that is my bonus number two. My bonus number three, guys, I'm gonna give you access to Chatterpal application, and you also get access to all upgrades within this application. Now, if you don't know what is Chatterpal, let me show you guys what is Chatterpal. That way you can see the power of this. All right. Alright, guys, so this right here is Chatterpal. With this application, guys, should be able to install like a chatbot, a 3D chatbot into any kind of website, just like this one right here. Alright, so this one is like a chatbot, and this one is a 3D animated videos or a 3D animated talking avatar that will, interact with the website visitor, and to get that more engagement, into the website and get more leads and sales, right? You can also offer this kind of services to local businesses. So you're offering, booking appointment to local businesses, right? You can also offer them and charge monthly payment for chatbot or this 3D animated or talking 3D avatar that you can install into the website. And just like I said, guys, you get access to all features, all app sales within this application, and the value of this, guys, is almost $1,000. All right, no one else gonna give you this kind of bonus. This is exclusive to me, guys, and I'm giving you that as a bonus completely for free, no monthly payment. All right, that is my bonus number three. My next bonus for you guys is I'm gonna show you how to use LinkedIn to get high paying clients. All right, so I have this video training that's showing you exactly, guys, how to get high paying clients. I have this little trick to get high paying clients using LinkedIn. All right, that is my bonus number four. Bonus number five, guys, I'm gonna give you a resale rights to viral Movelio application. Now this is gonna help businesses as well to get more traffic into their business, right? And you can, just like I said, you get a resale rights. That means you can resell this and make 100% commissions on the entire funnel, right? That is my bonus number five. Bonus number six, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to resale rights to regional application. Now, this is an application, guys, that can also help you get traffic using Reddit. And just like I said, you also get resale rights. That means you get 100% commission on entire funnel if you get sell this product, right? And then you also get access, guys, to this semi-exclusive bonus right here. You get access to Sushi Vid Gamer. You get access to Bid Survey. You get access to Bid Hacker. You get access to Bid Sales Page Builder. You get access to Bid Looper, video marketing that can really help you guys out dominate any kind of niche, right? So those are all of my bonuses. Now this document, guys, is waiting for you inside of your JBZoo account, and you can get instant access to this bonuses after your purchase of paying B. And if for some reason you don't get access to this, bonuses, just reach me out. I'm gonna put my email below this video. That way you can reach me out. Just send me your purchase receipt. I'm gonna send you this bonuses personally. That way you can start using this method and using these bonuses to get more sales and make more money. All right. So those are all of my bonuses. All right. Now, if you guys click that link below this video, which is the first link, this is gonna take you to the sales page. Looks something like this. Now the headline says double any local business owners bookings overnight and kickstart a widely profitable service that local business owners desperately need right now. Just watch this video right here, guys, and read the information of the sales page. That way you can have an informed decision. This is something that can really help you guys out. Now, this comes with 30 days money back guarantee. If you don't like the product, you can always refund your money and still be able to get access to all of my bonuses completely free of charge, right? Now, just like I said, guys, you don't need to pay a monthly payment for this, and you can charge clients or for one-time payment or a monthly payment for any kind amount of price that you want. All right, so I'm just gonna play this demo video for you guys. That way you can see the power of this, how this works, and how it can help you, and how you can easily create booking appointment on complete autopilot without any kind of coding knowledge.
Hello there, Harshal this side, and thank you very much for checking out AppointBee demo video. Now, AppointBee is an easy-to-use, hassle-free appointment booking system to grow any local business appointments online. It's very easy to set up and comes with exceptional features along with agency license on the front end. So you can use this for any of your business or for your clients. Now it takes only 5 minutes to enable appointment booking on any local business website that meet and greet customers every single day. For example, businesses such as doctors, dentists, spa, chiropractors, architects, schools, engineers, daycare centers, and every other business that handle customers every single day. Now, before diving into all the setup and how to get appointments, let's first look at how an end user experience looks like. So we have set up this demo site taking a clinic into consideration. Now this can be replicated for any business whatsoever. So all things that you can see on the screen, such as headline, sub-headline, these drop downs, button, everything is fully customizable. So whenever a new visitor comes to book an appointment on the clinic website, he can do so in three simple steps. The first one is the selection. He can come here and select a doctor he's visiting. Let's select Dr. Alex Dean for now. Then select the required service. We will select general physician in this case. Now, second step is scheduling. Right, he will see a calendar with Dr. Alex availability for the month. Then he can select a appropriate date and appropriate time to schedule his appointment. Once he clicks next, he will come to the final step where he can review everything again and enter the required details and click on confirm appointment to book his slot. Easy peasy, takes a few minutes for the user and he gets an email along with reminders, and so he can show up on time. Now let's look at the backend and how to set this up for any business. We are now in the backend and let's start from the general settings. Right, so in general we first have time settings where you can select base appropriate time required for one appointment. You can also add additional time base using this field over here. Then there are accessibility settings. Now the first one is auto confirm. Now in this case, if it is selected to yes, it will automatically confirm all the appointment applications for no payment required in this case. Then this allows client to cancel their own appointments. Then whenever they are canceling the appointment, where they should go, it can be mentioned over here. Okay, then there are display settings in case you want specific information from your client such as name, email, phone number. If you want address, city, you can go ahead and tick this as well. Then there are payment settings. Some of the businesses need payment upfront, so that provision is also here. So you can just set this to yes and you can accept payments using PayPal. Then there are notification settings. These are very important so that your customers will show up on time. You should always send a confirmation email. We have selected yes over here. Then you can configure your confirmation email over here. This is a simple email template that you can edit, and there are also placeholders that you can use. All placeholders are mentioned in the bottom of the page. Okay. Then there is one field that says send reminder email to your clients. So it's very important that you should send reminder emails to your clients, and you can send them multiple email reminders telling them to that they have an appointment at a specific time and they shouldn't miss it. You can also send a reminder email to the service provider, just in case. In this case, Dr. Alex will get this email like 2 hours before the appointment that they have a scheduled appointment with this so and so patient. And that's it for the general settings. Now let's go ahead and check other settings. Now about the Google Calendar, in case you want your visitors to save their appointments in Google Calendar so that they can come on time, you can just enable it from this tab here. We have already enabled it. As you can see, there are two types of settings. One is just the normal Google Calendar button and another is API settings. You can check in detail once you get access to this one. Then there are working hours. So every business has defined working hours, and within those hours only appointments can be scheduled. So you can come down here and you can set up working hours as well as break hours. You can also select specific service providers such as Dr. Dean in this case, and you can set working hours for Dr. Dean itself. Or if you're running a spa, if you're running a school, you can do it for your spa specialist as well as for your teachers and so on. Then there is tab that defines services, like every local business has different kinds of services. All those services can be defined here. Their capacity in a day, duration defines to a particular appointment duration. Then you can also associate a price point if the payment is required from over here. And you can add as many services as you want. Then there are service providers, like every local business have multiple service providers. Like clinics have multiple doctors, spa saloons have multiple experts, hair experts and spa experts working for them. That's why you need a place where you can add as many service providers as you can for any business that you're booking appointments for. So you can just come over here and add as many service providers as you want, and you can also associate them with the particular services that they can render. So people can come down and select a particular or probably their favorite service provider in that business, and they can directly book appointments with them. You can also send SMS reminders to all the people who will be visiting your business. Then there are MailChimp settings. You can also push all the records to the MailChimp and capture all the leads over there. Then there is appearance settings over here where you can choose to change the whole look and feel of the widget that you can see over here. You can change everything. You can change these colors. You can change the font and everything that you see on this page. All the settings are over here. Then we have a form positions. Now this appointment booking form can be shown in four ways. First way, we just saw the first one, this one, okay, as a demo. Then we'll go ahead and look at the second one. Second one embeds as a pop-up, just like you see, where once you click on that, you can book appointments from over here. Then the third one is just like a hello bar that you see on the top over here. You can fully customize this inside the application settings, and you can, once you click on this, you can have this as a pop-up. Last way is have a pop-up using this button. So just like that, we have four ways how you can position this form to increase appointments for any local business. Once you're done with settings, you can come down to the main screen where you can see active appointments, pending appointments, completed, as well as removed appointments. Once you have some appointments, you will see them over here. You can confirm them, you can complete them, you can mark them as paid. You can also sort and filter using different services or different service providers. So you can easily check how many appointments Dr. Alex Dean completed at a certain date and time. You can also search by a client directly from over here. Then there are pending appointments that are still pending, that has not been confirmed by the clinic administration, will come over here. You can change the status to confirm. Then there are completed appointments, and that's it. Then there is a transaction tab as well, where you can see all the recent transactions happen to for your business through this appointment booking system, AppointBee. So that's it, and thank you very much for checking out this demo video of AppointBee. I will see you on the inside.